As usual, making paratha for Sohor or Siri for 29 days Ramadan fasting, and today is March 19 and today is Thursday. So now making tea. We put fresh buffalo milk here. Now making paratha. And I have to make hot only little rice for me here. And this one tortang talong. And this one for mashed dal or dried beans. So, and but it's make more. So I make already one paratha. Now today Ramadan fasting in Saudi and Dubai is 30. And inshallah there is Eid tomorrow there in Saudi or in Dubai, in other place, in I think also in Philippines. But here today is 29 Ramadan. So after tomorrow inshallah there is Eid here. Ahead ng one day ang Dubai at Saudi at saka ibang countries yata. Itong aking mobile ay may fault talaga. Hindi maano, click. Now closed fasting time check is 4:45 a.m. It's cooking time again for our dinner for 29 days Ramadan fasting. Now we can put now also this garlics and ginger. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this chili powder, salt, turmeric powder. And then to be followed by this lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. To be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now also this chicken. I cook only half chicken because one chicken is almost 2 kilograms. So I cook half chicken. Now we can put also tomatoes and then we'll put this chicken here. It's a foggy day. As you can see, it's already covered by white. It's like snow. You cannot see all houses, our neighbors' houses, as you can see. Oh. Ayan. Today is March 19 and today is Thursday. Time check is 1:10 p.m. Oh. You cannot see over there, Rawlacot City. It's already covered by fog. Foggy. Oh. It's like snow. And today is 29 days Ramadan. Yan. Already cooked chicken clay or chicken curry. Now we can put this toppings, organic coriander leaves. Ready our viand for 29 days Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah. Chicken curry or chicken clay is ready. Then I have also rice left over before 2 days. And 2 days also left over before 2 days. Mashed dal or dried beans. Chapatis is ready because my husband Fahad, Tayeb, Langga or Fatma, they will eat chapatis with this chicken curry or chicken clay. Then juice for open fasting for iftari, tang with chia seeds or tukmalanga seeds. Then little bit fruit chat, only bananas and apple with dates, sugar and fresh buffalo milk and dates for open fasting. And also still I have this what you call this tortang talong. Yesterday I cooked this one, so alhamdulillah. And I think this already our last Ramadan fasting because my husband said just now there is Eid tomorrow together with Saudi, Dubai and some other place. So alhamdulillah, nakaraos sa 1 month na Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah.